Well friends, here is problem number 20. Before going to problem 20, I will read the direction. Find the wrong number or group of letters in the given series. So this is the given direction. Now moving to question. Question is 9, 19, 40, 83, 172, 345. And the options are 172, second is 83, third is 40, and the last option is 90. So what we have to do here? We have to find the wrong number or group of letters. So here I am having number series, so I have to find wrong number. So first consider the given series 9, 19, 40, 83, 172, 345. So in the given series, one number is wrong. So we have to find that number. So by observing these numbers, you have to find the relationship or the logic behind the series. How this series is formed. That has to be formed. So first, this is 9. This is 19. How can I get 19 by using 9? How can I get 19? One of the way is I can add 9 plus 10 and I will get 19. This is one way. Next, 90 using 9. 9 into 2 is 18. 18 plus 1 will give me 19. This is another way. Okay, now move to next number 40. How can I get 40 by using 90? How can I get 40 by using 90? So the one way is 1940. One way is what I will do, 90 into 2 is 38. 19 into 2 is 38. 38 plus 2 will give me 40. So this is one way. Now moving to next number 83. How can I get 83 by using 40? 40 into 2 will give me 80. 80 plus 3 will give me 83. Now move to next number, that is 172. So 172 can be obtained by 83 as 83 into 2 will give me, what is 83 into 2? 83 into 2 is, what we have to use? Split and merge. 83 into 2 can be 80 into 2 plus 3 into 2. So this is called split and merge. 80 into 2 is 160. What is 2 into 3 or 3 into 2? It is 6. That equals 166. That means 83 into 2 is 166. Okay, I will write here. 166 plus how much? 166 plus how much I should add? How much I should add? I have to add 6. That will give me 172. Now I will move to last number 345. So 172 into 2 will give me, again use split and merge technique. How can you multiply 172 into 2? 172 into 2. This can be written as 100 into 2 plus 70 into 2 plus 2 into 2. 172 into 2 can be written like this. Now what is 100 into 2? Yes, it is 200. What is 70 into 2? 70 into 2 is 140. What is 2 into 2? Yes, it is 4. 200 plus 140, 340. 340 plus 4, yes, it is 344. Now 172 into 2 will give me 344. Yes, it is 345. How can I get 345 from this? 344 plus 1 will give me 345. Okay, now we got, yes, the first number can be obtained by two ways. One is 9 plus 10, which is 19, and the another way is 9 into 2 equals to 18. 18 plus 1 will give me 19. So I will consider this, that is 9 into 2 into is equals to 18. 18 plus 1 will give me 19. So this is 18 plus 1, 38 plus 2. Okay, 18 plus 1, that is 38 plus 2. Next number. Now 80 plus 3. Next number, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. Next number should be, yes, plus 4. Next number should be plus 4, but it is plus 6. So that's the wrong number. So if you add plus 4 to 166, 166 plus 4 is 170. Okay, this is 170. Now, if I get plus 4 here, then I should get plus 5 here. Okay. Here, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Exactly it is plus 6, but I am taking it as plus 4. I am considering this number, that is 172, as wrong number. But cross check. If I take this number, that is 172, as 170. If I take 172 as 170, then I should get 345 by using the same relationship. That is 170 into 2 will give me, yes, 170 into 2 can be, get here 340. Now what I have to do? Yes, it is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. That should be plus 5. So I have to add plus 5. 345. Okay, I think this is visible to all. Yes, it is 345. So this 172 is the wrong number. That should be 170. But in the series they have given it as 172. So this is the wrong number. Now moving to option. First option itself is having 172. So the first option is the right option. First option is the right option.